Just feeling for a moment here. We'll lie down on our backs. You can keep the knees bent. And just focus on the spine, relaxing completely. We'll pull our right knee into our chest. You can extend your left leg towards the floor, just sticking it out straight on the mat as you pull that right knee into the chest. You might feel a little pinch in the hip. This is normal, but remember not to extend into any sensation of pain. And just focus on keeping your breathing slow and even. We'll switch sides now, pulling that left knee into the chest. You can interlace your fingers and wrap them around the top of the knee. We might say the bottom of the knee just above the shin, right below the kneecap, one might say. Relaxing the shoulders so that both shoulders are resting on the mat if you can. Really allowing the heart to open here. Relax, release. Both legs to the mat straight. And then bring both knees in bent, close to the glutes. So we have our feet flat on the floor, just below our glutes. We're laying down with our hands by our sides, pressing down into the mat with your hands and feet. You can lift the hips up in a low bridge pose, and then interlace the hands underneath the glutes to get a little bit more leverage. So we're squeezing the hands together underneath the glutes. As we squeeze those shoulder blades together, we can feel how we're able to lift our glutes up just a little bit higher in this bridge pose. And then when you're ready, you can release the hips back down to the mat. You can bring the knees into the chest. And hugging the knees into the chest here. You can rock back and forth ever so gently. And then we'll practice a simple spinal twist before our final resting posture. So we'll hook our right foot behind our left back of knee. With our left back of knee, left leg extended, we'll twist that right knee, right leg across the left side of body. We'll open the right hand so the right hand stays flat open, arm extended, twisting with the right hand placed on top of the right knee that's twisted across the left side of the body. We'll extend and release and try that again on the left side. So left toe hooks behind right knee on the back of the right knee. Left arm opens up as the right hand is placed on top of the left knee, twisting the whole body to the right side as the left shoulder, left arm stays open, reaching towards the left. So as the left arm reaches out towards the left knee reaches out towards the right. So in this way, you're creating a dynamic sense of stretch and release. A safe way to apply what one might call torsion on the joints while in a supported resting posture on the floor. This is known as the supine spine twist. It's a very common pose for releasing many parts of the spine. And there's a perfect transition into Savasana, or the final resting posture. And this is an important posture in the same way that sleep is an important thing for humans to do, that the resting pose, even if you do it for 1 or 2 minutes, allows the postures to integrate at a deeper level. That this is where our ability to rest, become resilient, to be energetic, to be aware, stems from our ability to relax. And laying still on the ground gives us the opportunity to focus on just that. So release completely and thank yourself for today's practice, for showing up, and for being your best.